As you guys can see, we got the credentials and everything.
Because the main reason I took it, because I'll say this, because if you're still here and listening, he asked why I took it before 10. You gonna come in? Good morning, everybody. It is Monday. And as you guys know, last week I got my funded account with TopStep. I did all the credentials, I did everything to where I got to pay for the activation fee, but I still haven't got the account yet. So today's not looking like a trading day just because I don't have the account, but it's Monday, first day of the week. We have CPI this week. So honestly, I'm not even that mad that I didn't get the account yet. If I end up getting it in the trading session, that's cool, but I don't need to force the trade today. I don't need a trade. There's no point of forcing it. So I'm just gonna take it slow. We're about to get the team all organized. We got about 20 something people already live. We're gonna join up, and we're actually at 125 members for the VIP, and the discount is over. So anybody that didn't take advantage of the 50% off for lifetime, you'll get it next time. I don't know when I'm gonna do it again, but I'm gonna do it again. Don't worry about it. Just gotta give it a little bit of time and stay tapped in so you actually know when I do it. But let's just get straight to it. It's already 9:25. We got 5 minutes till the open. And I'm gonna see if we can call any trade ideas, even though I won't be taking them on my actual account. Practice makes improvement. Look at that, we got 39 people already in there waiting. That's what I like to see. The team's growing, and it's because we give value every single day. Let's see. I can see the Nats 100 longs, man. Just called it out for him. We're gonna see what it could do. All right, so the first trade I ended up taking a loss on Nats 100. It was a paper trade nonetheless, but I was risking same as I would on the funded. But I'm looking at this possible trade at US 30 at this 1 hour gap with the stop loss below this low if we could reach for the previous day's high going into 10 o'clock. So we'll see what happens. This is about to be that trade I'll take. I'll keep you guys updated as always. There we go. We just got into the longs on 30. Looking to target the previous day's high. We'll see. Looks good, but we'll see. Nats also looked good until it didn't. Kino, you in the longs on Nats or 30? Smooth to break even. Smooth, like, that's the trade idea I wanted to see on Nas. Ooh. Ooh. Break even on that one. Dollars ain't nothing but a couple points. You got it. Now, yeah, I'm overall bullish. Like, my bias is bullish. It's just a matter of, is it gonna be stopping me before it goes long? Like, it's the same thing what happened with Nas. I was bullish on Nas. It just stopped me out. It could still go long. It's just the idea itself. Because the main reason I took it, because I'll say this, because if you're still here and listening, he asked why I took it before 10. For one, like y'all already know, I'm either getting in on like a higher time frame for value gap or a run of an old higher low. At 9:30, we were at the only gap on the 1 hour chart. Like the only gap. Like besides this gap, I literally have no other gap. Like nothing else. Like non-existent. So it's just like the matter of 9:30 with the area I was already looking for. So regardless if like it could still go back to that area at 10 o'clock. But I don't know it's gonna go there. You know what I mean? I just take it like if the time goes with price, I just take it. If I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. The first trade, I took the same idea right here. Like the same idea I took right now that's playing out is the same one I took on Nas that didn't play out. All right, so we just got done. It is what it is. I took 1 L, 1 break even. I couldn't do much about it. The first trade I took on Nas, I was just wrong. It was 100% wrong. It was just, it is what it is. I took that trade idea thinking it was gonna go higher. It just stopped me out completely. The second trade idea I took at the 1 hour for value gap on US 30 at 9:30. It stopped me at break even after it hit TP1. So it was a win in a sense, but now it looks like it's trying to fly even higher and go to where my TPs were originally, which it is what it is. It sucks, but it's what it is. Kino was also away, $50 away from passing his challenge, and price came all the way back lower. It dropped all the way and stopped him back at break even. Cortez, he made back all his losses from the first trade, and then he has 1 L and 1 break even. He has 1 L and 1 W. It's just one of those days where it's not high probability. There wasn't no news today. There wasn't no high impact volume. So the chances of us getting chopped up were a little bit more likely. But I only risked $200 per trade. And for the day, I only lost $200 because I had 1 L and 1 break even. So that's a small loss. That's perfectly fine. I can make that times 2, times 3 in one trade. It's nothing. You just got to be able to understand what it comes with it. But they were paper trades because I still haven't got the funded account. Let's check the emails. Yeah, this is US 30. The gap that I got in was right here. This is where price gave me TP1. This was where my TP was, like at that high. Price came back, stopped me out, and now it looks like it's pushing. But let's check the email. my account, and that was about, they sent that to me at 7:47. 46, I don't know why I said 7. I ain't gonna lie, I just popped this fucking pimple. That shit was crazy. Y'all, why didn't y'all say some shit? That shit look crazy. It's been there for a couple videos. Y'all ain't say nothing. That shit is crazy. I'm inside of CVS. My girl's about to bring the patches so I can put this pimple on. We're about to get some food and then head to Busch Gardens. Here, she about to come in. We about to catch her. You got the goods? Probably looking crazy. Do Stanley. Let me see. Click that one. What is it?
It's like.
Oh, it's the Congo. It's like that's like the Congo one. It reminds me of.
She did in C-Raw.
You got the goods. Got the goods. It's 2 days in a row.
Chick-fil-A should just
Sponsor us. Oh yeah. Got the Chick-fil-Izzle. Got the rides. See, I like that though.
That one's Montu, right?
The yellow one?
Mm-hmm.
I thought we did that.
Yeah, that's a Montu. We did do it, and then that one's Cobra's Curse.
We didn't do Cobra.
No, we did both of them. The only one we haven't done is the Scorpion and the
Congo one.
Yeah, like the water, right? It's the Congo and then the
50% off giraffe.
I may get him.
How much is it?
He'll be like $3 over this.
All black. Look at the feet. Nah, yeah. That's what we're about to do right now. That's not here. Yep. They about to drop them. Oh. Yep. Looks like we're going to that one. Oh.
Due to the nature of this attraction, you will experience sudden impacts and
Oh man. Jump off of this one. All right, right now we just got done. Right now we're about to head to Target. Today's just overall just one of those days where I'm not doing too much. It's more of an entertaining day for the most part. I didn't trade, as you guys know, but I did get my credentials for the Top Step account. So tomorrow we officially are active. We're officially active. We didn't take no trades on the account, but as you can see, if this shit will load. As you guys can see, we got the credentials and everything. I'm not going to show you the password because, yeah, I'm not fucking retarded. But yeah, so tomorrow we're active. We're probably going to be taking the first trades on the challenge this week. I would be lying if I said I don't think I'm going to take a trade. I take trades. I took trades today. Now, even though they were paper trades, they were still trades nonetheless. There were still trade ideas that I would have taken on the account. They wouldn't have played out, though. So, like I said, I'm not mad that it didn't play out. But right now, we about to go to Target, as always. It's about to be 5 o'clock, a little bit later in the day, but this is what it's like to be a trader. Not every day I'm going to be constantly working all day. Sometimes I need to go out. Sometimes it's cool. It's only Monday. How you start the week is going to be very beneficial because how you start things is always going to affect how you end things. If you start the week going off shitty, over-risking, over-leveraging, not following your rules, not being disciplined, not having a good routine to start the week, the chance of you ending the week off successful is far, 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 far away. To keep it simple. And the other ones didn't have the mic, so they could hear me. They could hear you too.
Cause it's like that, I'll be itchy or.
It'll turn green.
Yeah, like definitely. I'll turn green in like 2 seconds. Even rings, like if I try to wear any fake ring
The only thing
jewelry.
I don't like is I think these are just sterling silver. I think they're dyed with sterling, or it could be white gold. I hope they're white gold. I don't know if they're white gold though.
Sterling silver is still.
It's
like,
bad. It's good. That's why it's not fucking by ear. But I don't know
Yeah.
if it's still worth anything though. Like the diamonds are probably what it's worth. And it
Yeah,
just,
the
like,
diamonds is more like if it was like white gold, yeah, that's when it becomes money. But silver is just a cheaper.
Yeah, it's like I probably 100% paid for only the diamonds. That's it. Nah, for the people watching, what do you like more, gold or diamonds? I like diamonds more.
We're
Gold's
not.
cool.
No, that's not the comparison. Gold or silver is a comparison because you can have diamonds
Nah, I
on
feel
both.
like you can't compare it to silver.
You
It's
can.
like silver is way cheaper than gold. Anybody would pick gold. It's like a
No,
$10
color based, just like how you're saying. I'm
If we're
saying
going off of
color wise.
color, then yeah, I'm
So
going
white
over- I'm
gold
going over
versus
silver.
yellow, or white gold versus yellow gold.
White gold.
I don't really like yellow gold. I like when the yellow gold, the 14 karat. I feel like the 10 karat is more
I would
yellow.
rather have rose gold than I'd rather get the chain first, because then from the chain I can either go watch or get the FBA pendant now, and either one is a dub. But I'm thinking the FBA pendant, because then if I can get the FBA chain then a watch, then maybe
You
grills.
look orange because your shirt.
That's what I'm saying. Like, imagine this with
reflecting.
gold.
No, I'm saying you look orange. Your face is
Yeah, 'cause
orange
like this.
because it's reflecting.
Yeah, we got the vacation drink. Does it say with the flavor and everything on there? No, it definitely don't. Do it over there. What's yours?
It's like
It's like mango, pineapple, something like that. It's not a good nighttime camera. Yeah, this is Element right over there. That's the one that we did the apartment tour of. And those are just bank buildings. Them shits don't matter. Useless.
yeah.
Look, I'm gonna get it on like the first try. See?
You see how you don't listen?
That's good.
Sit in it.
I know it's good. Hold on.
Test it.
I'm gonna test it because I'm gonna put myself in it
Test it.
with everything.
Why didn't you put this in one of the holes?
Because it's good. Trust me, I know what I'm doing. I trust it. I know what I'm doing. You gonna come in?
This is looking a little scary.
It's fine. Not really, but it's wrapped, so it's like us being on it holds it. Nah, this view looks good. Soon from the penthouse. Yep, just jump on it. There we go. Okay, so this is the account right here. This is an express funded account. It looks like it starts with 0, so more than likely if I go negative, it'll just be like minus 250. If I go positive, positive 250, positive 500. So far, there's no trades taken. I just got everything logged in, so all the rules are the same. Looks like a scaling plan allowed 3 contracts. 5 winning days of 200, 0 so far, and it started April 8th, which is today, as you can see. So we're gonna see. We're more than likely gonna take the first trade on it tomorrow, but I'm about to log it into TradingView real quick. Yeah, and I just got it into TradingView. Same everything if you wanna look at the name. And it starts at 0 also right here. So we'll more than likely be trading it tomorrow, and this is where I'm gonna end it all off. Yeah, it's dark, but I gotta try to get this video up to you guys within the next hour, hopefully.